Negasngi u Commissioner and Secretary ka Sports and Youth Affairs Department u Dr. Vijay Kumar doban seli u yepen kre ne benta ka Meghalaya Games araja arpausan ka woman hakaleng ka West Giant Hills. Niliang Dr. Vijay chiru baki he ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association delang ki saheb ki chanat sarkar dalai pachwagi yepen kre hawa ejer multi sports complex bot wan cha itaw bam hamadan kiang nang ba Government College kamju itaw sa ki khana ha Jowai Polytechnic nei tewan yaka kiang nang ba stadium. Hadin ini hawaya kalam wagi bathok khubor de yaro uye penkre nei benta gani kalampung iwada chimpor kamwan ru banai katu doong wade wawan gani kalampung ko sor Jowai de yo go yedur wathme he wada kadaw yaki yung wada nyamrong thme ki thaw le ki wada penmiat wa ki wi we ini daw penkhriat i yaki khana walai chuti nei baha mandawan biang gi se Jowai daw yogi ye kala Cho da yaro uya ka kiang nang ba indoor stadium ka pynman ya ka badminton he wada yo ko ya ka maple flooring ka wawat ha Shillong le mpu mg da pentip uwa iwai paj ba ye sedang namo ka grand opening uman ko ha ka arphawitri uniu banai we daw man ko ka wehe bahaya ki paj ba ka Jowai wa karilom jaintia hagani ka tamasa daw empalat su hajar ngut ki wo chimbenta we man iwa miat baha ne baha ki bruna kaleng uwan lang ki ha ividon itaw u Dr. Vijay de pentip ule wa ka swimming pool ha Jowai man iwa chimpor we daw pteng wan ikre ya ka we nei benta gani ka games uman ko ha Shillong hawa kali wan hayato wa ikre ichna wa sa teng iwa dawa baha kam hawa ejer ka boarding itaw chongki hatalawer ka kiang nang ba stadium wa kiwi Vijay de ong wa ikre daw man iwa pteng hagini kitaw wat hadin gani ka Lampung.
So basically the Meghalaya Games, as we know, is happening in Jowai. We start from 20th. We have a very grand opening ceremony on 21st. And over the last 6 months, we have been making lots of preparations for the games. So now we are just, all the athletes will arrive on the 19th. So there's a lot of excitement and a lot of enthusiasm. So all the infrastructure, most of it is ready. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy. And I think the whole town got a facelift. I'm sure everybody is excited to see every building painted properly. A lot of sports infrastructure and education infrastructure is also nicely upgraded. So it will be a pleasant surprise for all the students when they come back from holidays. And for the athletes, it should be a great treat because the weather is excellent and all the facilities are very good. So we have a new stadium, as you know, we have a brand new Wyrta stadium. Kiangnamba Stadium also we gave a facelift. We are in this indoor stadium. It's beautiful maple flooring we have here. So even in Shillong we don't have. I think now Shillong people also will demand one. Of course Shillong new infrastructure is getting created, but here we have upgraded what is there. So I think it's very exciting. As you know, the brand new swimming pool also we are constructing. But of course it will take time, so that will happen a year later. But any which way, all the infrastructure is being upgraded, and I think we'll have a grand opening ceremony on the 21st, where the Honourable Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Ministers and Sports Minister will come, and it will be in Vijay Stadium, and I think it will be a big treat for the people of Jowai and Giant Hills because we are going to do a beautiful performance and involving a lot of school children and fireworks and of course the festivities, and the most important thing obviously is the 4,000 athletes who are coming, and for the first time so many people are gathering in the Giant Hills in Jowai, and I think it will be a great exposure for our athletes who are coming both from the West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, all the Garo Hills. So it will be exciting, and we also look forward to the competitions, to all the I think the MSOA and all the associations, they have done a great job in getting the competition managers and organizing all the things. So they are also, everybody is looking. I think I'm very happy to say that we are not stressed. We are very excited. It's 2 days away, but I think most of the things are done, and we are looking forward to hosting a great games. And we also have the experience in the sports department and MSOA. Of hosting Northeast Olympics, of the games in Tura last year, and of course in Shillong before that. So I think there is a lot of experience and a lot of wisdom which has come to the sports department and to this thing. And I also want to compliment the district administration and our engineering team, State Sports Council. So in terms of the sports performances, I am eagerly waiting that we have also invested a lot in athlete development, in coaching, and all over the last 2 years. So we are hoping that some records are broken, and our athletes come here and spend 4 or 5 days in this place and take back good memories, and there's bonding and integration of all the regions of the state. So I think a lot of wonderful things will come in the coming days, and it's I think exciting time for Jaintia Hills, for sports, and for Meghalaya in general. So in the short time we already created a lot of infrastructure. We know, as you rightly said, that some more permanent infrastructure and changes need to be done. We still have the working season. As I said, something like the swimming pool, that also we'll take 1 year to complete. So even in Vijay Stadium, there's still about a few smaller interventions that need to be done. So all those, whatever needs to be completed, we'll complete. But at least now for the conduct of the games, we are fully ready. Infrastructure-wise, preparation-wise, and also I'm sure you must have seen the good thing about Jowai is that because everything is compact. So athletes also, we have arranged just 3 clusters: the northern cluster, the southern cluster, and the Vijay cluster, where all the athletes can just eat in 2 or 3 places only, which means wherever they are staying, they can just walk to the place. So it will be a walking games. We won't be using too much of buses for transporting, because Jowai is a compact place, and Kiang Nangba is actually especially a great infrastructure. So there we have put arrangement for about food for 2,000 athletes can eat at one time. I think I think it will build a lot of bonding of the athletes, and that's the reason why we are doing the games. As our Honorable Chief Minister keeps saying, this whole thing of doing the games in different regions is to bring about integration of the athletes, so that they get a perspective, they get to bond with everyone, and to create this spirit of the state. So I think it's exciting about the infrastructure, whatever smaller things, because we are completing whatever is needed for the games. Other things which need to be done, the post games also, the work will continue, so that the infrastructure remains as a legacy of these games, and the athletes and everybody, the common people of the city, can use it both for fitness, well-being, and competitive excellence.